good afternoon. This is Zorina Spice. Today I'm making some nicely done blueberry jam for you guys to see and for you guys to try. So I'll see you in a little bit. Today I'm going to show you guys how I'm making some blueberry jam. And I have 2 pints of dry blueberry. So now I'm gonna wash it and clean it and see how much I'm gonna get from that, and then you guys will see the next step. So I washed the blueberry and I clean it so it's very nice and clean here. So now I'm gonna measure how many cups I have. So I'm gonna measure it out, and then you see how much cups I have on this here. So I'll be using 1.5 cup of water, and I'll put the blueberry in to boil. So you see the next step. So now I put the blueberry to boil, and it'll have to boil and get a little soft. Then I will have to show you the next step. And in the meantime, as I have 3 cups of blueberry, I use 1.5 cup of water just to get it softened. Then I show you the next step. I put the stove on, and I have to wait till it boil. Now I put the blueberry to boil. The reason why, because I want it to get soft, so then we can extract the fruit out from it. So I'm gonna give it the next 15 minutes, 10 minutes. 10 minutes should be good. And then we'll have to I'll show you the next step. Now I'll put the lid back and I'll let it keep on boiling for the next 15 minutes. Now, as I said, every cup of blueberry, you use 3/4 cup of sugar. You could, so I'm gonna use 3/4 cup, not the full cup. Or if you're not into much sugar, I would suggest you use less. Well, I want to decrease, but it's 3/4 cup to a cup. So I'm gonna put instead of, I use 1/2 cup more because I do not like too much sugar. So I'll use, but it's every cup is 3/4 cups. I'm gonna use a little less because I do not want to add so much sugar for my intake. So I'll take 2.5. I'll take not 2.5. 3/4 cup for 1/3 cup, but I'll use half instead of 3/4. This time I take half because I don't want to use so much sugar. But it's every cup of blueberry is 3/4 cup of sugar. Also, I forgot to mention, you could use white sugar if you want to. But I love to use brown sugar. Everything I make, I love brown sugar. So I like the brown sugar, so I use brown sugar. But you have option. So this was boiling for 10 minutes, and now I'm gonna I said I would have do it for 15, but it looked like it's soft. So now I'm gonna crush it up because I want the juice out from the blueberry. I don't think this is doing such a good job because you still have a whole, I mean it's whole blueberry there still. I'm going to try the whisk on this here. Or I could use a handheld blender to this too. So I'll try to get it all more fine, and then I'll show you the next step. So I turned the stove off. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use a handheld blender because you could use a handheld blender. I would crush it up very fast. So here goes. Now I'm going to add the sugar. So the sugar is going to melt in there. And we're going to boil until it comes to the end. I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. So I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice. This is 1. This is 2. And this will have to boil until it steams right down and finish. So occasionally I'll show you how it gets in the finished point. You have to keep on boiling. And it also have to keep on turning. Looking good. So I'll show you along the way. So I'm just checking at this blueberry here. It's coming nicely. You have a little way to go, but it's gonna finish maybe next 15 minutes or so. It's getting nice and thick right here. Now I'm just checking, and it looks like it's coming to an end. So what I would do, I will do a test, and then you know how it is. You put some cold water in a bowl or a cup, and then you will have to throw some in. If it kind of stay at the bottom just one place without lose it, it's stickiness. They're like maybe just a touch, and it's stick at the bottom. It's finished. So we'll have to give them a taste test just now. Now I'm gonna do a test to see if it finished. If you stick at the bottom, then it finished. So here goes. See, that's it. It finished. It's like it's not spreading around, so I guess it finished. So I'll take it off and I'll show you the next step. Well, I said my strawberry jam finished. This is it. It's nice and thick, so now I gotta wait till it's cold. So this is so this is Oreo Spice. Thank you guys for watching, and you will enjoy this recipe. Now remember, you could add more sugar, less sugar. Well, so I didn't put the full amount. At least I leave out a quarter cup from it. But it tastes really delicious. Now you could eat this with some bread. You could eat it with crackers, whatever you want. But it's a nicely made homemade jam. Very nice. Now I have to wait for this to cool. So thank you guys for watching. You have a great day. Bye bye now. Now this is my blueberry jam finish. If you don't like it this thick, you can cut it off a little before it turns this thick. And but I like it like this. I'm gonna demonstrate to you how it is that you could, I mean, spread on jam on your bread. And they have different way of making jam and preserve. See, I use the whole fruit because these are blueberry, and blueberries are very light fruit, so it's not. So now I'm going to show you. You could put some on your crackers, or you can put them. Depends on how you want to put it. It's very nice. So I'm saying you could make it a little less thick. You can make it a little more runny by taking off the stove a little early. But there it is. It's really delicious. Actually, the sugar that I use, this is so good because it's not that sweet, and yet it's not that that it need more sugar. I think the sugar is just right. So the 3 cups of blueberry, actually I use 2 cups of sugar, and I tell you, it tastes really good. So this is Oreo Spice. Thank you guys for watching. This is my finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video. You could subscribe to my channel and for more video. So enjoy. Thanks. You have a good day. Bye bye.